Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics. Make sure your Ps5 and router have recent firmware. Once done, note your current network details, IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS so you can revert. Now change the Ps5 connection to manual DNS. Set primary 1, 1, 1, 1 and secondary 8, 8, 8, 8. This forces a known resolver and often fixes DNS lookup failures. Make sure to save and test connection to see if name resolution clears. If it does, move to stabilizing the setting. You should now run the Ps5 test internet connection and write down any DNS error codes and latency values. If problems persist, plug the Ps5 directly into the router with an Ethernet cable to eliminate Wi-Fi as the culprit. Then reboot your modem and router. Power off, wait 60 seconds, and power back on to clear the router's DNS cache. Once devices return online, retest the Ps5. If latency drops and DNS resolves, you've isolated the issue to either Wi-Fi or the router DNS behavior. To finalize, assign a static IP on the Ps5 or create a DHCP reservation in your router so DNS settings don't revert. If errors continue, try alternate DNS services like 999 or your ISP's servers to see which resolves names reliably. Make sure to retest after each change. If nothing works, reset the Ps5 network settings to factory defaults. This clears corrupt configs but keeps your account. Troubleshooting tip. If DNS intermittently fails, swap to wired, then inspect router logs for blocked DNS or frequent DHCP renewals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.